Hello, everybody, and good morning. My name is Miss Nunes, and I am a computer science teacher, working primarily with middle school students this year. We are going through the animations and games unit on CS Discoveries using code.org. And so today we're going to be looking at lesson 10, which is on text. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on this purple button over here in the right corner that says lesson resources. So let's do that. All right, so it shows us we don't have any new vocab, we don't have any new code, so that's really nice. So let's see how today goes. We're going to start with level 1 for prediction, and it says predict. Read the code below and make a prediction. What will show on the screen? Where will it be displayed? So we see line 1 says text hello 10 200. And then line 3 says text everyone, line or comma 200, comma 300. So I believe that we'll see the words hello everyone um, with the hello on top and the everyone on the bottom. All right. So remember, you can't run this until you type something in. And then once you type something in, once you press run, whatever you typed in is going to be permanent. So make sure you take your time and say what you actually think is going to happen. And then when you've got that done, you're going to click on the run button. All right. And so hello, everyone. And hello's on top. Everyone's on bottom. Beautiful. All right. So after you've done that, we're going to click finish and I'll see you on the next level.